The big question in Kerala politics right now is simple. If the Congress-led UDF comes to power, who will become the chief minister? Will it be Ramesh Chennithala or will it be VD Sadishan? Even before the elections are over, this discussion has started gaining attention inside the Congress and its allies. Let me tell you how the debate started. The conversation picked up after senior Congress leaders began openly sharing their opinions. KPCC President K. Sudhakaran and veteran leader PJ Kurian were among the first to express support for Ramesh Chennithala. This naturally sparked curiosity and discussions within the party about leadership after elections. As more leaders started reacting, the issue slowly turned into a public debate. Now, senior Congress leader and Thiruvananthapuram MP Shashi Tharoor has stepped in with a different view. He made it clear that this is not the right time to talk about who will become chief minister. According to him, the party has a clear system. The final decision will only be taken after the elections based on the opinions of elected MLAs and guidance from the High Command. He also stressed that the focus right now should remain on the people and the election campaign, not internal discussions. At the same time, he showed confidence in the party's performance, especially in key constituencies like Nemam. From the allies' side, PK Kunjalikutty of the Indian Union Muslim League dismissed any talk of internal conflict. He said there is no disagreement within the UDF over leadership. He also confirmed that the League will fully support whoever the Congress chooses as Chief Minister after the elections. Kunjalikutty added that the alliance is confident of overcoming any political strategies by opponents and is prepared to prevent vote division in sensitive constituencies. Interestingly, Ramesh Chennithala himself also avoided encouraging this discussion. He said that talking about the chief minister's post now is unnecessary and should not distract from the main campaign. At the same time, he took a strong dig at current Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, suggesting that confidence shown by the ruling side may reflect ground reality. He also expressed disappointment over some candidate selections, especially when leaders he supported did not get tickets. So, what does all this mean? Right now, the Congress and UDF are trying to keep the focus on winning the elections rather than deciding leadership in advance. While names like Chennithala and Sadishan are being discussed, the official discussion will only come after the results. Until then, the big question remains open and Kerala politics just got more interesting.